Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, mouse cursor disappears in Windows 11 fix it fast. First method is press Windows and R keys. Type devmgmt.msc, press Enter key. Press Tab key and down arrow key. Press right arrow key. Down arrow key, press Enter key. Tab key, right arrow key. Tab key. Press Enter key. Press Enter key. Tab key. Press Enter key. Alt F4 key to close. Alt F4 key, select Restart, press Enter key. Second method, press Windows and R keys. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.